Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First day back since the holiday. That's Ash Wednesday. First up, we got Barita Investments here. Notice of the annual general meeting. It's coming up. It's a 43rd AGM for Barita, but there's a new look Barita here, just a couple of years into it. But remember, it's 43 AGMs in the making and coming. It's going to be held at the popular AC Marriott Hotel. Coming up April 23rd, 2021 at 10 a.m. Next up, we got Elite Diagnostic. As a reminder, we're in earnings season right now, and that also means potential dividends from the ordinary shares of companies listed on the JSE. In this case here now for Elite Diagnostic, higher administrative expenses and depreciation hitting that profit line. Year-to-date revenues though pretty much flat, so doing fairly well despite COVID-19 and the pandemic at Jamaican 236 million versus 235.9 million year over year. This is for the 6 months period. Now the all-conquering Eppley Limited making some moves during the year in 2020. Interesting management discussion and analysis, and really ending the year strong. Earnings up, that's a key factor. Earnings per share up 35% or so. $1.15 Jamaican versus 85 cents per share year over year. Now Fontana Pharmacy, since they've opened up their new location right there on Waterloo Road, we've been speaking about that in a couple of earlier business lives. Talk about a sweet second quarter, Q2 here, with profits jumping 25%. Last couple of quarters, we've been liking Fontana on Business Live. They've really been going from strength to strength despite the pandemic. A lot of analysts out there really thought that things were going to get bad at Fontana, and boy, were they wrong. On BL, we've been talking about Fontana. It's like a craze. It's like a cult. You go to Fontana, persons love it regardless. They like going there. They're shopping. It's like a one-stop shop, all-in-one experience, and we are seeing that in the earnings. Q2 earnings here per share, 20 cents Jamaican versus 16 cents per Jamaican. And this is for the period December 31st, 2020. Overseas markets, talk about Mr. Musk here, Elon Musk, going from strength to strength. The Midas touch, anything this guy touches, it's just doing wow. The guy is like superhuman now with this new news. Related party or something to do with SpaceX here. We covered that earlier this week. Now we're talking about Spacelink, something like satellite Wi-Fi, premium price, already a number of approximately 10,000 users with this thing. But the bottom line is this is a play, so don't just think about it as SpaceX and what's happening there. That's built the popularity, but Spacelink, which is an interesting name, that's where it looks like the medium to long-term money is with satellite Wi-Fi. Now we don't know for sure. We haven't looked into it as much as we should yet on Business Live, but this could mean, just an assumption, that maybe wherever you travel soon in the world, whether it's a couple of years away or whenever, you don't have to go and get this carrier, then that carrier, this country carrier, and log on to your Wi-Fi. Maybe you'll just pop in wherever you want globally and you log on to Spacelink. That's what we assume. We're not sure, but it sounds interesting, something that Musk would do. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.